Welcome to another build episode. In this one, we'll be installing the Torqit performance exhaust for the Series 5 Y62 Patrol. It was quite a simple install, which Chris was able to do without too much help, and it's made a noticeable difference to the car's performance and sound. If you want to check out Torqit's range and what they may have available for your car, please follow the link below. Thanks for joining us for this part of the build, and please click subscribe if you want to be notified for our next episode when we install the front bar and snorkel and do our final weigh-in.
So the Kojak, we've got the axle stand, and to be safety conscious, just to make sure, a little wheel chock too that I'll chuck under the front there as well. So most of the exhaust is on the right hand side, the driver's side here. So I'm basically just going to jack up this side of the car, and I'm going to jack it with the stand, and I'll get underneath there and start pulling everything out. So in the installation kit, or the fitting kit, it comes in a little box like this, and there's a bag. It's all sealed. It has all your gaskets, all your nuts and bolts, your rubber mounts, and it comes with the instructions too. So it tells you what tools you require, how to remove the existing exhaust, and then on the back it's got the installation of the new exhaust and then a parts checklist. So it's basically got everything you need to make sure you got all your gear and how to correctly install the exhaust system. Can you imagine that screaming up the highway at just like 150?
Take it for a quick drive.
I should,
It's a wasted opportunity, mate.
It is. Not very often you get to experience your car without exhaust, especially a V8.
Go on then.
Very nice.
Want to hear it?
That is really loud. You couldn't like even leave here at night time.
There's nothing silent about it.
Well, I tell you what, without the exhaust in it, holy bloody hell, that is impressive. I don't know even what to say. I never thought I'd ever have a car that ever sound like that. But anyway, it's a shame we can't keep it off. But in saying that, it would drown a lot and be quite annoying. But for a bit of a novelty and something I've never heard before, was really, really cool. So we have pulled everything off. I've just got back. I've jacked the car back up again. Got the chocks under, ready to go, and I've got the new exhaust system over here, ready to bolt in. Basically tells you to work your way from the front to the back. So I've got a couple little pieces here I've got to put everything in loosely, join everything up together, and then go over and tighten everything up. So just to make sure everything fits and it's snug and it's all in place. It's a good little tip to do. So I'm not going to waste any more time, I'm going to get stuck into it.
today the exhaust has been installed, and we've been hanging out to listen to it, and then it got to the point that we had an episode coming up, and we always do the premieres and chat with everyone live, so it was like, oh, we'll do that. And then
literally,
it was
as
like,
I finished it, it was 5 o'clock, and I was like,
Yeah.
holy hell, the episode goes.
yeah. And then after that we had some fans come up, so then we were talking to them. So we probably got it in like 3 hours ago, but we just haven't done anything yet. So this is the moment of truth. This is the bit we're waiting for to see what it sounds like. We have not turned this on yet.
Talking about holding the suspense. Hope we got enough fuel to start it.
Yeah, it's getting low, eh?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, I like it. Initial thoughts.
I don't mind it. It's good that it's not like stupid loud, because that's where it's gonna go pear shape pretty quick. Because if you're up hills and you're towing the caravan and you got loaded up weight, it's just like "Boh." So it's not super loud, but I'm curious to take for a drive and give it a bit of a squirt.
Just really quickly, Lookie's come to visit us. She said she was going to come.
Hey.
Yay!
The drinks lady's here.